We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print your supply status page, and I'm working with an HP M451dw. So usually right here it has the levels, but if you are wanting more detail about the toners, you can hit this arrow here. And you're going to go 2 times, and then you are going to hit, it's going to say reports, hit OK, and then you are going to go to the right 3 times, and it says supply status. You then hit OK, and it'll start printing your supply status page. You can find useful information on this page, such as the original install date, how many pages you've actually printed on that toner cartridge, and much more useful information. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.